Snipe Squad, what is going on, man? Hey, look, it is your boy Snipe Jones, and I ain't gonna hold you, bro. This video had to be done. It had to be done, man. It had to be done. My Twitter, my Instagram, my Xbox Live was completely full by nothing but this chicken sandwich from Popeyes. And I ain't gonna lie, man, I am a chicken sandwich connoisseur. That's on dog. You can ask anybody about your boy Snipe. I can eat chicken literally every single day. Now, you know what I'm saying? Going into this video, I have to say I am slightly biased. There is nothing better than Chick-fil-A. I have to be honest. But Chick-fil-A is single-handedly the best restaurant of all time. I took it upon myself, man. I know this channel is not a food channel, but I had to do it on camera. Besides, Unbreakable and Flight said they was gonna do this video, and I had to do it first because like they be stealing my ideas. I ain't gonna hold you, but it is true. Now listen, man, I fell for it. I fell for the hype. So you know what I'm about to do right now, bro? I'm about to cruise on down to Popeyes, pick me up a chicken sandwich, but I'm just not gonna do that. I'm gonna cruise on by Chick-fil-A too. I'm gonna get a sandwich from each restaurant. So that is what's on the agenda for today. If you feeling this video, bro, if you feeling the vibes right now, let me get vibes down below in the comment section. If you a real one and you feeling the vibe. But we gotta get up out of here, man. As y'all can see, I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday's video. That's because it's the same day. You know, man, hey, look, man, we don't stop grinding, man. We don't stop working. Everybody dream big in the comments, man. But yeah, we're about to go and do this right now. Ain't wasting no time. Let's get it. Bruh. Hold on, bruh. Hold up, bruh. Hold on, bruh. I know this line ain't for no chicken. Bruh, are you sick? Bruh, it's out the street, bruh. Bruh, the restaurant is over here. Bruh, they out the street, man. The line is wrapped outside of... I didn't know I was going through this, bro. Hey, look, I knew it was a lot going on, but I just didn't know it was this much. All right, look, man, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. I think what I'm gonna do is just go to another Popeyes, bro, because this not the move, bro. I'm not about to stand here and wait.
Popeyes, what can I get for you today?
Yes, I wanted to try the spicy chicken sandwich.
Just want the sandwich or the combo?
Just a sandwich is fine.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
The total gonna be $4.30. Thank you.
Thank you. Bruh, I hope, look, hey, bruh, look, hit the like button right now. Hit the like button right now, bruh. I've literally been in this line, no cap, 30 minutes strong, bruh. I've been in this line 30 minutes strong just to get this sandwich to do this video. I ain't gonna hold you. I've never even waited this long for Jordan. Like honestly, I have camped out for Jordan and did stuff like that, but in the last 2 years, you know what I'm saying? I haven't even did this for shoes. The bag is secured, bruh. The bag is finally secured. Let me show y'all this line though, bro. Let me show y'all this line though, bro. This line is crazy. This line is crazy. Look at this, bro. Look at these cars lined up, oh God. Out the lot, bro. These joints is out the lot. This is crazy, man. Hold up, I just started something real quick. Let me go ahead and hide this bag, cause I don't want them thinking, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what type of beef they got going on. Doing spicy chicken sandwich, just spicy. Can I add cheese to that?
Pepper and cheese?
Yeah, pepper jack.
What's the drink?
Lemonade, large. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Let me tell you something about that, man. That is A1 customer service. The people at Popeyes just threw my sandwich in the whip, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't getting no emotion with it. You know what I'm saying? They ain't even tell me have a good day. They don't care over there. They don't care. Over here at Chick-fil-A, they love me, man. They make me feel like I'm supposed to be here. Like I'm supposed to be here. Oh, yes, thank you. Appreciate that. We are finally done going across the world for chicken, man. For chicken. Now, I feel like Allen Iverson, bro. All this, it's not even practice, man. We doing this for chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking. I know y'all didn't watch almost the whole vlog, and now it's time for the nitty gritty. Of course, I gotta get the Chick-fil-A popping because this is what we came here for. Okay? I cannot eat neither one of these sandwiches without having nothing to wash it down with. You know what I'm saying? The best lemonade ever created. So Of course, y'all already know, Chick-fil-A, I already know how this sandwich tastes. All right, so I'm gonna taste this one first because I know what it's gonna bring to the table. This is the new one. You feel me? This is really what we here for. This is what we comparing it to. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this one first. You feel me? Give y'all my thoughts, and then we can move on to the Popeyes sandwich. I gotta go here first because I already know what they got. I want to be surprised. I don't want nobody thinking it's biased. I want to be surprised when I get to Popeyes. But hopefully y'all understand what I'm saying. So I guess I'm like a mukbang-ish, low key. Just look at this though, bro. Look at this, bro. You know? Y'all gotta truly understand, man. My love for this sandwich is unquestioned. Ask any of my homies. Break, Flight, Holla. They all know Chick-fil-A, Chipotle. Those my go-tos, bro. Every time. One or the other. I'm gonna be honest. Popeyes it's gonna be hard to beat this, man. It's gonna be hard to beat this. Something to wash it down with, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be hard to beat this, man. It's a classic, bro. It's a classic. One thing I do like about this sandwich, though, the bun, man. The bun on here, y'all sleeping on the bun. The bun is what make this sandwich fire. Not just the chicken, bro. The bun. You know what I'm saying? Got that nice little crunch to it. Man. Bro. Let me know right now. Because even without this video, a spicy chicken sandwich is what I give from Chick-fil-A on a regular. I usually get the deluxe. I didn't get the deluxe just for the video. People would say I was cheating because I got one deluxe and the other one don't come like a deluxe. So I didn't want to do that. So I just went regular, you know what I'm saying? But let me know. Let me know in the comments. What is your go-to meal at Chick-fil-A? Number 1, number 2. And number 2, like me, I get the number 2 deluxe every time. Large fry, large lemonade. That's how we rockin'. Every single time. There's never been a time I changed up. I just like spicy food. That's why I got the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes too. And it's the first meal of the day. First meal of the day, man. Chick-fil-A, if y'all watching this, y'all need to be open on Sundays, low key. If y'all open up one Sunday, y'all know how much money y'all make. It's like, ironically enough, hit the like button if, ironically enough, every time you on Chick-fil-A, you realize it's Sunday. I can't even do nothing, bro. But we done with these. I done took this straight to the head, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Usually, I take my time. You know, I savor the joint, but for video purposes, we done with that. What is this, bro? The question is, what is this? Now, right off the bat, I'm doing this like a review. I ain't playing no game. They got the same type of packaging you would get out the Chick-fil-A bag. You know what I'm saying? The vacuum sealed, preheated seats. They got that going on. So that shows they're paying attention. Let's get to the actual sandwich. Woo! I don't know, y'all. This is a big one too, bro. It's a big sandwich. I didn't know they was this big. I've never had one before. This is my first time having one. I did not know they were this big. Look at that. That is a big sandwich, bro. I didn't know they was this big. I'm not gonna lie to you. One thing I can say going in though, I ordered it spicy. It say S on the bag for spicy. But you know when you get that Chick-fil-A chicken, it look reddish, you know, so you know it's spicy. This is like a regular piece of chicken. It don't look spicy at all. It does not look spicy at all, but we gonna see. listen, we gonna see. I got my nose running and stuff, bro. First bite. This for the squad. I'm remixing the content for y'all, but I do this for y'all, man. This is a good sandwich. This is what we came here for, bro. Hold up, man. This is a good sandwich, bro. And it is spicy too, I can taste it. And it's crunchy. You feel me? It's more crunchy than Chick-fil-A sandwich. I like a crunchy sandwich, bro. This is a good, hey, let me take another one before you know what I'm saying? I was like, let's not act like y'all never did that before. Let's calm down, right? Let's just calm down. It come with pickles. It like come with like mayonnaise or something on it too. Yeah, it come with some mayonnaise on it. And they got sauce on it too, like some hot sauce or something like that. It bust. I'm not gonna lie, it bust, bro. This is a good sandwich. I'm impressed. Now I see why people out there lining up. It is a great sandwich, and it's new, and it's trendy, of course. But I would go back and buy me another one of these, no question. There's no question about it, but I would definitely go back and buy me another one of these. I see what the hype is about. It's good, man. It's better than Wendy's. I just thought about this. Do y'all know how hard I'm about to have to work out? Y'all holding it down. Look, any of my people from Louisiana, I've always heard that Popeyes in Louisiana taste totally different than any other place. I need to know if that's true. I do. Cause I can only imagine what this tastes like in Louisiana. Man, I'm full too, bro. This is for the rest of the day. It's only like 4 o'clock. I got a small stomach, bro. I can't eat too much. Two chicken sandwiches take me out just like that. They were both, this was a big sandwich though. But I gotta give it to Chick-fil-A, bro. Yes, the new spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes is worth eating if you have not tried it. No, this is not biased. In my opinion, it wasn't really too close. Just because one food is good and the other food is good, it's different types of goods, man. Like anybody that make it to the NBA is good. You know, it's only 400 guys that make it to the league. But then you got LeBron. You see the difference, like all of them good, but then you got like, yo, and that's exactly what this is. Like Popeyes, they made it to the league. They can probably make the starting 5. Eric Snow was a starter, you know what I'm saying? Like it's still, you know who in charge, man. So that's it for this video, bro. Hopefully it's not too long. Hopefully you guys enjoy the different content, man. Chick-fil-A over the Popeye sandwich, without a doubt, undisputedly still the best chicken sandwich in the game. And thank y'all for watching, man. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I will be reading the comments and the likes and just seeing how y'all reacted to it. And until next time, man, I will get back with y'all. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. We're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.